Hi everyone! Let me introduce myself. My name is Davina Rizkia Deva Syahari and you can call me as Deva. And today, I'm super excited to apply for the Primary School Teacher Education Program at BINUS University. For me, becoming an elementary school teacher isn't just about delivering lessons from a textbook. It's about building the foundations of a child's character and curiosity during their golden years. And that's why I choose BINUS because in BINUS education is paired with modern technology and approaches, which totally fits my visions of becoming a future educator who doesn't just teach but makes a real impact. And as a future teacher, keeping the classroom lively is a key. I'm ready to bring my dedications, creativity, and positive energy to the BINUS community. Thank you so much for the opportunity. See you at the BINUS and have a nice day.